welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about a new update put forward by Google Meet. You can change backgrounds and effects in Google Meet mobile phone application. This feature was available in laptops and desktop, but it was lately available in mobile phone. Changing backgrounds in browsers and all, but there is no need right now. So in application itself, we can change background and more things. So let's see how can we change our background in Google Meet. So first of all, you need to open Google Meet application. Then if you need to create or join a meeting, you can just do it. So since I'm creating a meeting, I'm just creating a link over here. So I'm just joining. So I'm instant meeting, I have just joined. So you can just see that there the icon shows me the preview of my front camera. So there is a small like sparkling stars over there. So when you tap on it, you can see some effects. You can see a lot of effects there, like no effect, blur, background change, and there are a lot more others like filters, and also for customizing ourselves we can do a lot of things in Google Meeting. So you can just see, and you can even import our own background. You can just take it from Google and you can just import it and do you just need to do it with a simple thing. So just check whether in your mobile phone this particular feature is there. I'm saying this because not all mobile phone has this update right now, because according to the model there will be a difference in the time taking about this Google 2 app. So guys, I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for these kinds of tricks, tips and also updates. I'll be seeing you all soon. Thank you.